Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, my name is Daina. I'm with my friend. She is Theresia. We are from debate class. We want to show our video. So look at this. As you know, the picture showed that the viral news on social media is about the case of Gisel was not jailed and compared to a mother who was to be arrested with her baby. And from the news source of tribunews.com to regarding the case of Gisel exciting video with Nebu, which became a consideration that Gisel was to be arrested because have two factors. It is about she is already and answer all the question as well, and then she is a cooperative. And the second factor is she had a child under 5 years.
Although Gisel has answered our question, Gisel should be on jail, even though she has a child, 40 years old, and have answered our question. As according from ITE Law number 44 of 28 explain that offering, trading, rating, or providing pornography as referred to in Article 4, Paragraph 1 shall be punished with imprisonment of a minimum of 6 months and a maximum of 12 years and or a fine of at least 250 million rupiahs and a maximum of 6 billion rupiahs. Actually, that I have according from pornographic article.
Based of Kombes Pol Yus said, from the consideration of the two investigating team, made decision based on humanitarian principle, so that detention was not necessary.
Alright, thank you. You said before that based on human participle. Then, for the child who is also detained, even though the child is not wrong, but the mother continued the legal process and was jailed. Gisel should also be jailed. Then, how do you respond for this imprisoned mother? They are fellow mothers and have a children too.
In my opinion, if it based on humanitarian principle, the police should be also act fairly towards mother, because she had a baby still 10 months old.
But in the fact, it's not. The human participle that happened to Gisel was not to be same as the detained by the mother.
Yeah, is it true? But as a lower society, is it an unfair action? But we cannot action because is it the decision of the authorities?
The law have to be act fairly. Act fairly from the high or low society. The justice not being oppressive to the low society.
It should be like that. The law must action fairly. However, based on the tribunews.com, no should. It is the decision from the two investigators.
As we all know, Indonesia is a country of law. As a rule of law, of course. Impartial law enforcement has been regulated in the 1945 Constitution Article 27, Paragraph 1 of the 1945 Constitution where all people are treated equally before the law. To implement of rule of law, Indonesia is required to be able to apply the participle carried out by the rule of law. From the earlier statement, it seems that the 1945 Constitution was not treated because of social disparities, where there are fellow mothers who should receive the same punishment, but because of social inequality, one gets relief.
Yeah, you're right. That's why we see today the law does not apply to those who have high social power, but it applies to subordinate communities, and it cannot be denied, even though our country is a state based on law.
Thank you for your great attention. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Thank you.